Hey fam, let's rise and shine with a routine designed to unlock your hips, ease your back, and get you ready to conquer the day. This 5-minute stretch is perfect for anyone feeling tightness in their lower body or back, whether from sleeping, sitting, or just life catching up with you. You won't need anything but a mat or soft surface, and this can be done anywhere: your living room, a peaceful spot outside, or even your bedroom floor. We'll flow through gentle stretches designed to increase flexibility, improve posture, and create fluid movement in your hips and spine. I promise by the end of this routine, you'll feel looser, taller, and ready to tackle the day ahead. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with Pigeon Pose, the ultimate hip opener that gently stretches your lower back and hips. Think of this as your ticket to releasing tension and finding mobility. Come into a tabletop position. Bring your right knee forward, placing it behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg straight back, keeping your hips square to the mat. Lower your torso gently over your right leg, resting on your forearms or extending your arms forward. This stretch targets deep hip tension and provides relief for the lower back. I promise, by the end of these 30 seconds, you'll feel your hips release and your back unwind. If this feels too intense, place a pillow or block under your hips for support. Want more intensity? Bring your torso closer to the mat for a deeper stretch. Slowly come back to tabletop and switch sides, letting your left knee come forward. Repeat the stretch for 30 seconds on this side. Let's add a twist to open up the hips and spine, literally. The low lunge twist combines strength and flexibility, leaving you feeling balanced and strong. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your left knee on the ground. Place your left hand on the mat and lift your right arm toward the sky, twisting your torso. Keep your gaze on your fingertips as you hold the stretch. This stretch not only opens your hips, but also improves spinal mobility and posture. I promise, with every twist, you'll feel your body realign and release tension. If balance is tricky, place your hand on a block or book for stability. To deepen the twist, press your back hip slightly lower toward the ground. Return to center and switch sides. Step your left foot forward and lift your left arm for a satisfying twist on the other side. Time to flow between two classics: Child's Pose and Cobra Stretch. This gentle movement brings flexibility and fluidity to your spine, hips, and shoulders. Start in Child's Pose, knees wide, big toes touching, and hips sinking toward your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Inhale as you flow forward into Cobra Stretch, lowering your hips to the mat and lifting your chest as you press into your palms. Exhale as you glide back into Child's Pose. This flow increases mobility in your spine, relieves lower back tightness, and gently opens up your hips. By the end of this minute, I promise you'll feel more fluid and aligned. If Cobra feels too intense, lower onto your forearms for Sphinx Pose. Move at your own pace, letting your breath guide you. Finish your lost flow and come to a standing position for dynamic movement. Let's wake up those hamstrings and lower back with some dynamic toe sweeps in a standing forward fold. This move refreshes your legs and spine. Stand tall and hinge forward at your hips, letting your arms hang toward your toes. Sweep your hands across your feet, creating a gentle side-to-side motion. This stretch elongates your hamstrings, decompresses your spine, and improves overall flexibility. I promise by the end of this, your lower body will feel light and energized. If touching your toes feels out of reach, bend your knees slightly or rest your hands on your shins. Deepen the stretch over time as your body warms up. Slowly roll up to standing and get ready to add some circular movement with our final stretch. Let's loosen up those hips with Semih hula hoops. Imagine you're drawing big, smooth circles with your body. This is all about fluidity and freedom. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Place your hands on your hips and begin to rotate them in a semicircular motion. First to the right, then to the left. Keep your upper body steady as your hips do the work. This stretch releases tension in the hips and lower back while promoting mobility and circulation. I promise, this gentle motion will leave your body feeling refreshed and ready for the day. If standing feels uncomfortable, you can do this movement in a seated position. To intensify, increase the range of motion in your hips. Bring your body back to center, feeling grounded and balanced from head to toe. Fam, you've crushed it. In just 5 minutes, you've unlocked your hips, loosened your lower back, and brought balance to your entire body. This routine is perfect for starting your day or as a quick reset whenever you need it. Before you leave, just remember that you've already won the day just by showing up and pressing play. Each time you see that notification bell go off, just press play and share the video with your friends. Accountability is more fun with friends. As a thank you for being part of the fam, I've created a free gift to help you level up your fitness journey. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Stay strong, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.